Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial on games and cubes. In this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how you can learn F2L. This is a tutorial especially for beginners F2L, so no advanced stuff here. I'm going to explain you the three main F2L situations. There are a lot more algorithms to learn if you want to go to advanced F2L, but this is for the beginners method. First you have to have solved the cross and connect the middle pieces to the cross edge pieces that there are already, as you can see here. And let's start with the first example. I'm going to position them here so we can insert them on the right bottom slot. One situation where white is on top and this is blue and orange, and as you can see I have orange and blue over here. What you can do when there's white on top, you can move the blue piece towards the blue, in this case, and it has to move into this slot. You will move it away from the slot where it should be inserted, so move it away. Then bring the white one on top, and as you can see, you have connected them and you can now insert them in the slot, like this. Well, we can go to the other case immediately, and that's the one you see here. Always when you do the beginners F2L, first split the two that you want to insert in the slot. So let's split them like this. And as you can see, now you have red on top and red's over here. And white is on this side. You can easily connect them if you move the other edge piece. So let's try to move the other edge piece. There's nothing in here, so I can bring this one up to move that one and bring it down again, because otherwise I would have moved this piece. And as you can see, I can now super easily connect them and directly insert it. So if white's on the side, you can do it like this, and you now fill the slot with the right piece. So let's search for the other pair. You see them both here. Bring them to the top, separate them, and now you have the same case again. You have the situation where white is on top. That means bringing green to the green part. It's already there. So let's see. Okay, this is the slot where it needs to be inserted. So I'm moving it away from the slot. I'm bringing the other one on top of it, connecting it, and now as you can see, it's on top of the slot where it should, and we can just insert it like we are used to. Then there is the other situation. Well, in this case I have the same situation again, and this is the slot where it's inserted. Move it away, bring it up, and now you can insert it. I'm gonna give you one more example, because that is an example that we haven't seen yet. The last F2L situation that you can occur during your solve, and that is that the two colors on top are the same. So now you are searching for, in this case, a red and a green one, and the edge piece is over here. And both are on top. What you can do is, you can, for example, it's now on top of this slot. You can move it away. You can bring the green color down, so not the white color, bring the green color down, which brings the empty slot on top. Then bring the edge piece that you want to connect besides that one. And now, if you bring it up, they are connected the right way and positioned on top of the slot. And now you can insert it like you are used to. And I think that is, well, those are the three main situations you can occur in F2L. So what is important? It's important to bring them up, to also make sure they are separated in the top layer. And in this situation, again, you can position it, turn it back from the slot where it should be inserted, connect them, bring it up again, and they are connected, and you can insert it in the slot. And now you can continue with solving the rest of your cube. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for beginners F2L. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Bye bye.